Hello everyone, if you're trying to install Hytale and you keep getting this problem, error applying update to game or error moving patched files to destination, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem occurs when your antivirus is conflicting with the Hytale installation process. So what you're going to do is you're just going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here Windows security, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into virus and threat protection. You're going to go into virus and threat protection settings, and then you're going to turn off everything. Don't worry, we're just going to turn this off for a minute. So just turn everything off. Go into here, turn it off as well. Just turn everything off, and then you can go ahead and install Hytale on your computer and just install your game. And once you're done with the installation process, now you can turn on the Windows Defender back. So just open up your start menu again, right here Windows Security, go into virus and threat protection settings, and just click turn on here. Go into manage settings, turn everything on, and now your Windows Defender is on and you also fixed your Hytale. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.